I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What up, y'all? It's your boy LSHR254, man, and you tune in back for another video. Let me see. Trying to make sure we got everything on the up and up. Should have a front and rear mic, as well as set for camera mode, but you are good. So, got some more goodies for the box Chevy, not necessarily this box Chevy, but for our other box Chevy. Ooh, you can hear it. So I got this set. Y'all know, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Sandman pedals, man. Sandman pedals. This is going to be the brake pedal, of course. Brake pedal got the Capri symbol on it. And then the long skinny pedal. You're gonna have your bow tie on there, Chevy bow tie. And then for your brake, parking brake, whatever, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna have that on there. This little second part, I guess you could say second part of my birthday gift to myself. It's for me. You know, I can't say that it's not for me, because it is for me. Cause these is my cars. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's for me, but also for the car as well. So yeah. The only thing else that I probably want to get is the vents and the strikers, which I'll probably end up getting here in the next couple months, man. You know, kids going back to school and shit, so gotta get them right. So yeah, gas pedal, brake pedal, brake pad, and then this is the hardware. You can get them directly from, you know, Sandman Designs, or sometimes you can reach out to Box Chevy World. You know what I'm saying? You can get some of this stuff for your whip and get your whip official, exactly the way you want it to be. So if it's something that you want to look into, man, go ahead and grab it from him or from Sandman, depending upon who got it in stock or whatever. Me personally, I don't really like waiting. You know what I'm saying? So if I see that somebody got something there in stock, then I just go ahead and pay the price to get it from them right then. It ain't much more that I need for the Brougham or whatever. Take a look over here at my board. It's got door and trunk locks, Sandman pedals, vents and strikers, headlight bezels, AC lines, exhaust, side moldings, console, door seals, third brake light, and Vos. The Vos I'm not worried about right now. Third brake light I have. Door seals I do not have. Door and trunk locks I believe I have. Sandman pedals. I got the vents and the strikers I do not. Headlight bezels I have. AC lines I don't. Then still haven't done nothing with exhaust. Side moldings I do have. Console I don't. So everything coming together, you know what I'm saying? So little early birthday gift for me, but also for the trifectas and stuff, man. the timeline for a lot of this stuff has kind of been offset, man, because of the simple fact that we are now a store manager. So the stuff go a little bit different. Just a little bit. So, says C10 drop kit translate. Yeah, so I know that we were supposed to have the drop kit put on and translate taken care of this month, but that has not happened. It's just been a whole lot of stuff that didn't happen. I fucking had COVID earlier this month and et cetera, man. It's not been ideal, but we're gonna keep on chugging away, baby. Chugging away. So as we get ready to move into September, October, man, like it's gonna be cooling down. So my goal is to get back out here and get back to working on the car, body work. This summer has just been like ridiculous, and like working on cars, working on damn body work was not my. Working on body work in the heat of the summer was not my plan. So, yeah. So got these goodies. Eventually we'll get back on the task, get back on road to getting whatever we need to get done with our Tudo to get it together. And pretty much moving forward. But yeah, other than that, man, another day in the factory. So make sure y'all stay tuned, more updates and everything, man. It's your boy Ellis7R254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Like we are by choice to choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.